Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. I think it's just a gorgeous floral card. It's irises. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. Supplies you're going to need is your A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half, and that's in gorgeous grape. And then a piece of Whisper White that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. The stamp set we're going to start off with is called this one Inspiring Iris, and we're going to be using the stamp here. You can two-step stamp it, but I'm going to actually just be colouring it in manually. Okay, so let's bring that in. We're going to be using, you can use Stays-On ink, which is what you should be using. I'm using Archival because I absolutely can't stand the smell of Stays-On, so I'm going to use Archival instead. And then I'm just going to stamp, I'm going to need that again, just going to stamp wherever it takes your fancy. Oops, didn't stamp very well. That's why we have two sides to everything. And don't worry that if it doesn't show the outline straight away, it's not going to make any difference. Because when you colour it in, you're going to lose that hard edge. Okay, that'll do. So put that aside, close up the sink, and now I'm going to start colouring, and I'm going to be using our blender pen and our markers, and I've got gorgeous grape here, Highland Heather, Old Olive, Granny Apple Green and Garden Green. And this is a tip that was shown to me by my upline Amanda Fowler, and it does make life very simple. Just take a spare block and then scribble onto there with your marker the colour you want. So I'm just going to scribble. Sorry about the squeak. Lots of gorgeous grape, Highland Heather rather, and then you just pick it up with your blender pen that way and start to colour in. So now I've put on a base of Highland Heather, and I'm just going to scribble off the colour like that. And I'm going to go in with my deeper colour, my gorgeous grape. So I put that on my block, pick out with my blender pen, and I'm just going to go in, as you can see, and add some highlights. So we've added some highlights. I'm just going to use my Stampin' Chamois to clean my block now. Get rid of the purple. Ready for the green. So we're going to start to do that now. The green. I'll pick up maybe some with a blender pen, but I'm initially just going to go with my Old Olive with the fat nib and just add some sketchy colour. I'm not concerned if it stays within the lines really or not, because it's a sketchy stamp set, so the lines of the stamp set aren't totally defined themselves. So there we go, and you can see here it doesn't stamp so clearly, you don't really notice it at all. So I'm going to go in with some Granny Apple Green now, just to give it some highlight. I'm going to go in just a tiny bit of the Garden Green, just darken certain areas up. Remember, when it dries lighter than the initial colour, because that's the nature of ink and paint. Okay, so there we have the base of our flower. I'm actually going to just take this up a bit further like that and blend it out down here with this. Okay, so there we have our irises. Now we're just going to stamp our sentiment, and that's going to be using the painted glass stamp set that I adore. I love this font, I really do. And we're going to be using the one that says, whoops, sorry about that, have a beautiful day. I'm going to be using the matching gorgeous grey pink. So get that nice and inked up, and then just straight down there. There we go, have a beautiful day. Lovely. Close this up before I have an accident. Put that aside. Bring in our base, and then all we have to do is put some snail on the back. And stick it down to our base, and there we go. So that's the one we just made together. That's the one I made before. Both gorgeous. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want the supply list, measurements, etc., it'll be on the blog post that goes with this video, and the link to my website will be in the description box below. So until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!